hold on tight, because what you're about to witness isn't just a car, it's a street predator built to dominate everything in its path. The all-new 2026 Dodge Charger Sixpack RT isn't here to play nice. It's here to roar, to intimidate, and to crush anything that dares to challenge it. Wider than your wildest dreams, louder than thunder, and meaner than a raging beast, this machine is the pure definition of unapologetic American muscle. From its jaw-cracking stance and fire-breathing V8 to the tech-loaded cockpit and savage performance, it's built to leave the competition trembling. Think muscle cars are dead? The Sixpack RT is here to bury that thought, and it's bringing hell with it. The 2026 Dodge Charger Sixpack RT is the kind of car that doesn't just show up. It makes an entrance, loud and unapologetic, announcing itself before you even see it. This isn't just a modern muscle car, it's a rebirth of pure American performance attitude, blending retro cues from the golden era of muscle with the best of today's engineering and technology. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you can tell Dodge built this machine for drivers who still believe cars should be exciting, raw, and unforgettable. The front fascia is wide and menacing, with a muscular stance that screams aggression. A blacked-out grille, sharp LED headlights, and integrated air intakes give the Charger a predatory look, as if it's ready to pounce. The hood is sculpted, with deep lines and, of course, that signature six-pack badge. A nod to the legendary triple two-barrel carb setup from the past, now reimagined for the modern performance world. The side profile tells you this car means business, with exaggerated fender flares and wide, sticky tires that look like they could grip the road like a predator's claws. Moving to the rear, the Charger keeps its classic full-width taillight design, but adds a modern twist with sleek LED elements and a rear diffuser that houses quad exhaust tips. The exhaust note? It's pure muscle, deep, thunderous, and guaranteed to make anyone within a city block turn their head. Step inside and the Charger Sixpack RT surprises you with a mix of retro-inspired charm and cutting-edge technology. Dodge has taken the interior far beyond the bare-bones approach of old muscle cars. The cabin wraps you in premium materials, with leather and suede surfaces, contrast stitching, and aluminum accents giving it a high-performance yet luxurious feel. The driver's seat is bolstered for aggressive driving, but comfortable enough for long highway cruises. The flat bottom steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara and features paddle shifters for instant gear changes. Front and center is Dodge's latest massive infotainment screen, seamlessly integrated with the digital instrument cluster, providing crisp graphics and instant access to navigation, performance pages, and customizable drive modes. The performance pages are where the fun really starts. Real-time readouts for G-forces, lap times, horsepower output, and even a drag strip mode for those who want to unleash the Charger's full potential. The sound system, courtesy of Harman Kardon, is concert-level clear, but truth be told, you'll rarely use it because the engine note is music enough. Rear passengers are not forgotten either. There's plenty of legroom, and the wide-body design makes the Charger surprisingly comfortable for a muscle sedan. Heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and ambient lighting ensure that even when you're not pushing it to the limit, it feels like a premium grand tourer. Under the hood is where the Sixpack name earns its badge. Dodge has taken a modern approach to delivering old-school power, offering a high-output 6.4-liter HEMI V8 paired with a sophisticated multi-point fuel injection system optimized to deliver blistering performance while meeting modern emission standards. The engine pumps out an astonishing 550 horsepower and over 500 lb-ft of torque, sending power to the rear wheels through a lightning-quick 8-speed automatic or an optional 6-speed manual for the purists. The acceleration is brutal, with 0 to 60 mph achieved in just about 3.7 seconds. But what's truly addictive is the mid-range punch, that surge of torque when you're already moving that makes highway overtakes feel effortless. The suspension setup is a perfect blend of control and compliance, featuring adaptive dampers that can stiffen up for track days or soften for everyday driving. Steering is precise, giving you confidence in corners, and with the wide tires, the grip is immense. Braking performance is equally impressive thanks to massive Brembo brakes that bring this beast to a halt with authority. Dodge has also equipped the Sixpack RT with launch control, line lock for drag racing, and customizable traction settings. So whether you're carving mountain roads or burning rubber at the strip, it's ready. Driving the 2026 Charger Sixpack RT is a sensory overload in the best way possible. The engine's roar, the firm yet responsive steering, the way the car hunkers down when you push it. It all comes together in a package that feels alive. And yet, when you dial back the aggression, it can cruise comfortably, making it a surprisingly versatile performance sedan. Fuel economy isn't its strong suit, of course, but nobody buying a Sixpack RT is expecting Prius numbers. What you do get is a driving experience that's visceral, engaging, and worth every drop of premium fuel it drinks. In terms of pricing, Dodge has managed to keep the Charger Sixpack RT relatively attainable for what it offers. The base price starts around $58,000, which is impressive given the performance and technology packed into this car. Fully loaded with performance upgrades, premium interior packages, and advanced driver assistance tech, the price can climb to around $72,000. That puts it right in line with competitors like the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 and Ford Mustang GT500. But the Charger's four-door practicality and unmistakable presence give it a unique edge. Dodge is also offering special launch editions with exclusive color options, badging, and performance tuning for collectors who want something truly rare. The 2026 Dodge Charger Sixpack RT isn't trying to be subtle, efficient, or polite, and that's exactly why it's special. It's a statement car, one that refuses to bow to the growing wave of electric silence and bland, soulless design. It's for people who still believe driving should be an event, something you feel in your chest and your gut every time you press the throttle. Whether you're a lifelong muscle car fan or someone discovering the thrill for the first time, this Charger delivers an experience that's raw, authentic, and addictive. In a world where performance is often tamed, the Sixpack RT is a glorious reminder that sometimes the best cars are the ones that don't apologize for being loud, fast, and a little bit wild.